Some people can listen to motivational speeches and that gets them riled up, that gets them going. But for me and many other people, our action is usually sparked by the opposite, the negative, the anti-vision, the villain story, not the hero story, not the motivational speech. All right, so today's video is specifically for anyone who is possibly interested in doing the YouTube daily posting challenge, but really it's a lifestyle, it's a commitment. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you that up front. Or for anyone that's doing anything that's hard, out of the ordinary, unusual, and you are at that point where you're in the beginning stages. You either are about to start or you just started. I'm talking directly to you. I've posted 126 videos in the last 126 days. And I want to be honest with you in the hopes to get you in the mindset of what exactly you need to go for the next however many days you plan to go. So first and foremost, you are probably looking everywhere for advice. So before we continue today's video, my name is Spivey J, and if you're new here on my channel, I talk about mindset mastery so that we can transfer our life in an effort to get more fulfillment out of this life. So if that interests you and you would like to help me in building this YouTube channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because over here we are all going to grow together as we build our rich life on purpose. That rich life being mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially rich. We're coming for all of it. All right, so hit that subscribe button. It will mean so much to me. All right, back to today's video. Start with why. You've heard this advice, you've read this. Simon Sinek even wrote an entire book titled Start with Why. And so if you're at a stage in your journey where you are looking for your why, you're searching high, you're searching low, you're praying, you're meditating, you're doing breath work, you don't know yet what your why is, and that's the reason why you are hesitating to start or considering pausing until you know why you're doing it. It's likely because you're starting with the wrong thing. It's likely because you're listening to other people's advice and what got them over their hump without listening to yourself. You see, we are all having this human experience, but each experience is unique. So you have to have unique perspectives. But when everyone is screaming from the mountaintop the same advice, and it seems to be working for some, but it's not working for you, you have to utilize your critical thinking and your pattern recognition skills to realize, oh, maybe I'm supposed to be doing something else. Now, I've said on my channel before that some people can listen to motivational speeches and that gets them riled up, that gets them going. But for me and many other people, our action is usually sparked by the opposite, the negative, the anti-vision, the villain story, not the hero story, not the motivational speech. So same with start with why. You may not be intrigued to start with why, or you've been trying to start with why, but starting with why has been the exact reason you haven't started at all, because you can't get clarity on that answer you're looking for, or it's just not yielding the results that you've been promised it should yield. And although your why may be strong, it hasn't been strong enough to make you move. It hasn't been strong enough to keep your feet planted in the ground long enough for you to actually sprout and grow and bear fruit. This is for you. My advice for anyone that has been struggling with this is to do what I did. Instead of starting with my why, I started with try. Okay, you're going to have to do it. Start with trying. Clarity comes for some people before, maybe. I don't know. I don't think that's really honestly true, but that's what they say online. That's what people share. I think it comes when you try, when you put action forward, when you take a step forward. Then the clarity is after the footprint is made in towards the direction you want to go. So if you're interested in posting daily on YouTube and you're thinking about, well, how much time I have to do this on a day-to-day basis, what's my commitment, what it's going to look like, what the heck am I going to talk about for all these days? Should I do 30 days? Should I do 100 days? Should I do a year? And you have all these questions and these pretenses and these prerequisites that you've put in front of you because you're trying to make sure you have this perfectly carved out why statement. And that's why your Z has not za. I don't know. But that's why you haven't started, is what I'm trying to say. And I want to encourage you to try by starting. Start with try. The answers you're looking for is likely out there. They just aren't right in your face. And if they are, if you've ever read the book The Alchemist, he had to go. First off, every time I read that book, I read it in one sitting. It's like such a great read. If you haven't read the book The Alchemist, I highly suggest you read that book. But on his journey, he literally goes and grows through all of these different trials, tribulations, challenges, ups, downs, highs, lows, when in actuality, the answer that he was looking for was with him the whole time. It was with him the whole time. But had he not gone through the journey, the trials, the tribulations, the ins, the outs, the ups, and the downs, he would not have found the treasure trove that lived inside of him. That's what's so beautiful about each of our journeys. The treasure trove you're looking for is dusty. It's covered up with regret. It's covered up with resentment. It's covered up with all these things that you have lived through, trauma and so many things piled on top of it that you're not realizing where it is. But you can't just go inside, metaphorically, you can't go inside of yourself and dust it off. You have to go and grow through things. You have to go and grow and experience and build and gain wisdom and new perspective and go out so that your in can then chisel itself, like the main character in The Alchemist. Was it protagonist in The Alchemist? Yeah. And so this is just to let you know that if you had the thought and you're trying to come back to whether or not this is what you should be doing, should I be growing a personal brand? The truth is no, you should just be building a perspective. You should just be creating and sharing your perspective, and that leads to what people call a personal brand. But when you have a perspective and people want to follow it, people want to share, and people love the idea, they will follow. But for the marketing terms, it's called a personal brand. But if you're using YouTube daily posting to do that, to share your perspective, think about why a business, say for instance, one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube is people real estate, right? I'm not in the market to buy a house in Texas, but the houses in Texas or the houses in Florida or the houses in other countries, I'm watching all of them. And I at first I was like, when you look at the comments, most people aren't even the potential buyer, but the realtor or the broker or the developer continues to show their work or continues to give you the house tours. And you're thinking like, are people actually buying this house? Well, for one, we'll never know unless they share it. But two, it doesn't matter. He or she is showing their work and showing what they have to offer to the world. You never know who is watching. Remember, YouTube is global for the most part. You have access to the entire world to share and grow your own perspective. This is bigger than how many hours a day this is going to take me, if you want to take it seriously, right? And I want to go ahead and also let you know you're putting in a lot of work up front for a potential big payout. Okay, so it's very risky because none of us know what this is going to turn into. But had Casey Neistat, Jackie Aina, or any of our favorite old school I don't want to say old school because they're not too far older than me, but like any of the like OG YouTubers would have quit after the first year, they would never even made it to monetization because when they started, YouTube wasn't even paying anybody. But this is not about the money. This is not about the clout. This is about who you're going to become when you start with try, like in the book The Alchemist, right? So I encourage you to go on this journey because even if you do it and I also suggest you do it no less than 30 days, but ideally 100 or more, you're going to become a new person yourself, and it's going to show in different areas of your life. That's where the real change happens, far ahead of when people are going to find you. Depends if you had an audience somewhere else, or you just you hit the algorithm jackpot, whatever the case is. I wish everyone the best success, say for myself, because we're going to get this, because if you do it, you're going to get it, and you're not going to stop until you get it. So that's how you can guarantee that you're going to get it. That's how I'm going to get it. I'm not going to stop because I'm going to get it. I'm going to get what I came here to get plus more, because it's not just merely what I want, it's what I need. I'm not hungry, I'm starving. So I'm going to do whatever is necessary to make sure I eat. This is far beyond monetization, although it is a goal of mine, and I am on a journey to grow this channel. So before I continue, please do subscribe. It would mean so much to me. But in all honesty, this is about becoming someone new. In order for you to do that, you have to start with trying. I didn't have my why statement. My why statement was literally half baked when I started, but I knew I had to do it. And when I started and I enjoyed it, and on the days when I didn't want to do it, I still showed up. That lets me know that I'm on the right track, blazing a trail on my desired path. Okay, but if I never started, I would not know this. So this is for you. Start by trying and don't stop. Find the things that you enjoy in it. Yes, there are always going to be parts of whatever you do that suck, whether you work an office job, parent, no parent, single, like any area of your life that you want something bad enough, there's going to be a part of it that you loathe. There's going to be a part of it that you don't enjoy. that's normal. Don't think something is wrong with it. Find what you do enjoy. And if you can, be intentional about invoking fun into it. Because what's the point of living if we're just going to be bored, right? So one thing I found enjoyable in the last couple of weeks is making these like funny, imperfectly perfect thumbnails for my videos. Why not? And it's funny to me. Is it probably what anybody tells you to do when they tell you about how to grow a YouTube channel? I don't know. We'll see, because the people are coming, the people are going to watch, the people are going to subscribe. I don't think that I know that, because I'm not quitting. So I'm going to continue to reiterate until it happened. And guess what? This video and beyond and before is happening. So that's the energy that I'm coming with it with, not because I'm so big, macho, confident, and I have a globe and I'm what was her name, Miss Cleo, and I can see into the future. No, this is me knowing that this current reality is not a projection of all that there is. In fact, I have a very big say so in imprinting on my own future, and so do you. So remember that. I can sit here and tell you, don't get addicted to looking at your numbers. At the same time, your numbers are feedback. So you should be observing what you're doing so that you can adjust variables and not keep doing the same thing, and just make slight adjustments in every area. But make sure you find enjoyment in it. And if you can't inject some, find something fun to do with it. Enjoy it. Why not? Don't just go on journeys just so you can get the prize. Make the prize razzle dazzle. All right. So I wanted to just be that. I want this video to serve as the reminder for anyone that's looking to build a YouTube channel, anyone that's looking to build, honestly, anything. This is a long game. This is like Monopoly, okay? This isn't Uno where they dealt out 3 cards. And no, this is the long game. This is a chess game with 2 players that know how to play, you being one of them. So don't play yourself. Don't quit. Don't get out too fast. Remember, your pawns are there for a reason. I know I'm using all type of analogies, but anyways, I just want to let y'all know that, you got this. If you don't have your perfect why statement, it's okay. You probably may be the person that has to start with try. Start with try. And that's okay that your story and your journey doesn't look like anyone else's. In fact, I love that your story, your journey does not look like anyone else's, because that's what makes you and your story unique. And the people that are looking for you want to see that, and they want to know that. Don't come in here telling all your business, but you know what I mean? Your perspective and how you view life and what it is you're after, and you sharing that experience online. You don't even know you're helping out so many people. So many people can't articulate these things, but they will binge watch you because they connect with you, they resonate with you, they enjoy your personality, they like your smile, they're from where you're from. You just never know. So I encourage you to just stop waiting, start with trying, and just keep going by finding joy in the journey. And remember, the treasure trove has been with you this entire time. You just have to go and grow through the experience so that treasure trove that's deep within you can begin to reveal itself. Okay, the tools to chisel it are on the journey. So it's like, think about a game where you're like collecting stuff so that you can get to the prize. Yeah, this is a game. So play it, have fun while you're playing it, but stop trying to figure out why you should start in the first place. Roll the dice and get going. Bet on yourself. All right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is the Spivey J, and if you're ready to build more momentum in your life, be sure to check out the links in the description. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. All right, y'all. My name is the Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know.